Okay, I'm just going to go over using Microsoft Stream to make staff training videos. This could be a video of yourself speaking, or a video of screen activity, or a mixture of both. So if you want to ask any questions, just pop it into the chat or click the raise hand feature. We're looking at Microsoft Stream here because during lockdown, I found myself using this quite a lot to make training videos, especially for software and systems. And I had to look for a platform to find this that would record and deliver it to all our staff. I also wanted to add closed captions. So at the Tech Partnership, we use Office 365, and one of the apps within Office 365 is Microsoft Stream. It does have accessibility to all staff. You can control who can view the videos within your organisation or outside of it. And the advantage is Stream plays on the majority of devices: desktops, laptops, tablets, mobile phones. And you can share it out via links through email, SharePoint, Teams, Yammer, and there's embed codes in it as well, so you can embed it in your VLE if you want to. Right, for recording screen activity, there's a number of options. Free options are that there is a recorder built in to PowerPoint and to Microsoft Stream. The one in Microsoft Stream doesn't only record screen activity. If you use it on your mobile phone, for instance, or even with your webcam, you can record video of yourself speaking. For screen activity, you could use Screen-O-Matic, which is another free example. What I use, though, is a paid example, and you can get an educational license for this, for Camtasia or Snagit, which is a cut-down version of Camtasia. And that gives you a lot more options for zooming in, zooming out, adding call-outs and things like that. There is also a camera app in Windows that you can use. As I said, the mobile selfie camera, webcams. Consider the audio quality. Sometimes you can have trouble on laptops where if the fan starts spinning, it can pick up the fan noise. Okay, so we'll have a look at what you can do. Within Microsoft Stream, there, as I say, it defaults to all the organization. You can also add it to channels and groups, and you can publish the link, email, into channels and groups within SharePoint or Teams itself. And you can add interactivity as well, so you can add a Microsoft form within your video to get feedback from your audience. I assume you all have Office 365. Right, so what we'll do, if I stop sharing this, I will show you Microsoft Stream. Let me just start it. Can you all see that? Right, this is Microsoft Stream. So to upload a video, you go to Create and Upload Video, and then you just browse to that video till you find it and upload it. I've got some uploaded previously. So if I go to My Videos, these are videos I've uploaded in the past. There's one I uploaded for a previous session this morning, for instance. So if we just look at that, when you upload it, over on the left-hand side, you give it a meaningful name and a description. So if you use hashtags, it makes it easier for people to search and find your videos. You can actually add table of contents, and the way to do that is make a list of each part of your video and where it starts, and you just put the time in and the title and add it in here, and it actually automatically adds your table of contents. You'll be able to jump to whichever topic you want to quickly. Always important to set the language. Obviously we're choosing English here. That makes the captions auto-generate. Sometimes it takes it a while to do that, but it will put closed captions on your video for you. Then you've got the permissions area. If you tick allow everyone in your company, it will literally show everybody the video. They'll be able to search for it. If you turn it off, which I usually do initially to do a bit of editing, you can choose who sees it. So in this one, you can see I can see it. Elaine, who's running the Innovate sessions, can see it, and it's automatically published to the Digital Summit today. In here, you can add people, channels, and groups. And whatever you do there, it'll be cut down to just those people or channels or groups. And the groups and channels can be in SharePoint, in Yammer, or in Teams. So let's just go back to that video. Let me just pause that. You can see the transcript on the right-hand side. It's automatically added the transcript, and it usually is quite good on here. It gets most of it right. If it hasn't, you just edit the transcript and change the text. Interactivity. Here you can add a Microsoft form, and at whatever part in the video you click, it will add the form at that point, offer the audience to go to that form, fill it in, and then restart the video. It's a good way of getting some feedback or doing a quiz. Okay, we just go back. When you want to share, click on share here. You've got a number of options. You can just copy the link and give that to your audience, or you can go to email and you just type the name of the person in here. And then share it out to whoever. You click add and you can just send it to them without pasting it into Outlook or anything like that. There's an embed code. You can copy this and paste it into anything that accepts embed codes. So your VLE, for instance, or maybe a sway. Right, if I just stop sharing that screen for a minute. Go back to the PowerPoint. just step through this. Okay. I just want to share with you, just a second. We've got a series of videos on Microsoft Stream that Elaine has made, who works in the Innovate team. So if I just find that for you. On-demand content, stream, right. Okay. In chat, I'll just add the link to that. If you look in chat now, if you click on that, you'll find there's 6 or 8 videos shared out on our YouTube channel, and that'll show you what I've just shown you and more, which is extremely handy. Can you all see that? Yeah, everybody see that? If you can just type in chat and say that you can see it. See, some of you have. Also, what I'll give you is a link to the Microsoft Educator Center. If any of you are Microsoft Innovative Educators, I'll give you a code in a sec that you can put in here for this session today if you want to redeem that. If you're not, if you want to go into this center and register and become a Microsoft Innovative Educator, it doesn't take very long, but it gives you access to an awful lot of training materials directly from Microsoft. So here's the code for today. You go in there, if you paste that code in, it'll give you accreditation for looking at this session. Just go back into Microsoft Stream. There we go. Has everybody downloaded this?
Episode 2 of my stream series, How to Stream Like a Ninja. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a video to Microsoft Stream through the web.
There's a whole series of these.
So let's get started. So we'll start off at the Office 365 homepage, and again we're going to go to the stream icon.
Has everybody got a copy of that? If you could type in the chat, or if you want to turn your microphone on and say, there's any questions at all about using Stream or making videos? Just pop your info in the chat window. Any questions, anybody? Yeah, here's one. Yeah, when you add a form to Stream, does the form have to be already made? Good question. Let's just have a look at Microsoft Stream. Yes, the answer is it does have to already be made. You just name your form and you copy the URL from the form in Microsoft Forms and tell it where you want to insert it, what position on the timeline you want it to start. If you work through those YouTube channel videos, it actually steps you through how to use Stream in quite a lot of detail. It does show you how to use the recorder as well. I think you could, if you didn't purchase any software, you could actually get away with using the recorder in Microsoft Stream to record yourself and to record screen activity. Any more questions? Maybe the best thing is to dive in there and actually have a go yourself and make some test videos and screen activity videos. Okay, this was just a short session then, so if you haven't got any more questions, we can wrap it up. Okay, thank you everybody for attending.